Hey folks, Pat Mitchell here. So today I want to discuss something that is probably one of the hardest things to do as a trader, and that is taking a loss, eating red. Nobody wants to eat a big bowl of red soup, do they? But it happens, and it's absolutely crucial, paramount to your trading success that you learn how to take losses, even more so than how you take gains and how to apply other technical analysis. It's the mentality of taking that stop. That's what's extremely important. So many traders overlook this. Now, we've all heard the trading cliche, cut losses quickly, right? Well, I'll tell you what, I don't know what that means. Cut losses quickly is not a definitive trading stop out or risk strategy. They're just words. So if you take a look at this chart, this is a trade that I took on MU. Now, I traded this exactly to my strategy, but with any strategy, they're not 100%. You're still gonna have red trades. So as it comes down into the level I executed, pops back up, size down a little bit, pay myself, and then when it starts heading back down, and it starts looking like it's not gonna work, I size down. I don't exit the trade out 100%. Because we all know how market makers like to manipulate the price action, and they like to make it seem like they're gonna stop us out, or they're gonna dump the stock or rip the stock, right? Meaning they're gonna sell it off or buy it back up. That's how fake outs happen. So instead of being prone to always getting faked out, why don't you just take off a little bit? Don't stop out completely. Take off a little bit and have a very defined risk area that you want to pull your position off fully and completely if it's not working out. Now, I've been day trading now for almost a decade, and I take losses all the time. My strategy happens to be a very successful one. It works a high percentage amount of the time. But that doesn't mean that there still aren't losses. There's still losses. There's always going to be losses. And the sooner that you wrap your heads around it, the sooner that you understand that a red trade and a green trade are the exact same thing, like a trade is a trade, as long as it's executed correctly and you're not an idiot with it, basically just chasing and basically jumping in, jumping out, jumping in, jumping out. If you're following a strategy and you follow it to the T and you execute your strategy, you understand in time that red trades and green trades are the same. Now, what I would do if I was in your position is I would study that chart that I just threw up on screen. And I'd really take a look at it. Go back and remember that's an options entry chart, an options chart. Take a look from that date and look up the equity chart and figure it out from there. Don't forget, guys, there is a link to the Tricktrades free masterclass. That'll answer a lot of your initial questions about maybe myself or the service, and you'll probably learn something too. So go check that out. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And we'll catch you on the next one, guys. Pat Mitchell from Tricktrades Trading Television, signing off. Adios, folks.